Alright, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Miranda. Gainz Box unboxing. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. See the stuff. We're gonna do it like this. Alrighty. Miranda Oldroyd, super strong lady, super fit, broke her neck, overcome all that to freaking be amazing. She's a beast. See the wide welder. Check that out in all its freaking glory. I got a shaker bottle, Gainz Box shaker bottle, pretty sweet, quite nice. Jesus, be with me. We got Excel low cut socks with this little insignia on it. Pretty sweet socks. Still got the Gainz Box points. 25% off code. 2 of them. What's this for? Knee sleeves. That's pretty cool. 1 month free. Street parking. That's freaking cool. Miranda Oldroyd. I can't talk. Miranda Oldroyd. What do we have here? Let's see. This is raw and real, people. Now I'm struggling. I just did 17.1. It's open season, baby. We grinding. I'm hurting. My low back is freaking mad at me. Hibiscus cold brew tea. That's pretty sweet. See the nutrition facts on that. Alrighty. Got a sweet shirt. You see it. I'm gonna do something different. Put the shirt on. Let you guys see how it looks. Not the best model in the world, but for you guys, I do it. There we go. Black, nice. Gainz Box 2017. Gainz Box February 2017. Open season. Miranda Oldroyd. Lego.